New at 5, a decision on an effort by 3 local media organizations to unseal motions and hearings in the Timothy Bliefnick murder trial won't be coming for another 7 days. An attorney representing WGEM, the Herald Whig, and Muddy River News argued the motion before Judge Robert Adrian this afternoon. Don Craven argued a ruling from Adrian sealing all motions, quote, stands the concept of openness on its head. Assistant State's Attorney Josh Jones and Bliefnick's defense attorney Casey Schnock both argued to keep the motion sealed to prevent tampering with potential jurors. Adrian said he will have a written decision on May 11th. Bliefnick has pleaded not guilty in connection to the February 23rd shooting death of his estranged wife, Rebecca Bliefnick. The trial is set to begin May 22nd.